In this video, I will guide you on how to check if WhatsApp is linked to another device. First, open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You will find a couple of options here. Find the one that says Linked Devices. Select that. Now, at the bottom, you should be able to find the option of Device Status. Here, you will see all the devices currently linked to your account. If you find any unknown device, you can simply tap on that, then tap on the Logout option. Now, tap on Logout. Now, if you want to link another device, you can simply tap on Link a Device option. Then scan the QR code over here and link with another device. Or you can tap on Link with phone number instead as well, then enter the code over here. In this way, you can easily check if your WhatsApp is linked to another device. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.